Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Grindr app not working. Simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can prevent Grindr from loading. Step 2. Push close the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Grindr. Then swipe it up to close it completely. Reopen the app and see if it start working. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitch that can interfere with app performance. Step 4. Update the Grindr app. First open the App Store, then search for Grindr app. If an update is available, install it and outdated apps often crash or fail to load. Step 5. Check for iOS update. First open the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Some apps may not work correctly on older iOS versions. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete Grindr from your iPhone, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from the App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix if Grindr app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.